Are you tired of uploading your ID card and waiting for verification just to trade? If you value privacy and speed, Tapbit is the answer. They are currently rated 5 stars for performance and are running an urgent no KYC event. But you need to move fast. This event strictly ends on January 15th. Here is exactly what you get. Tapbit is offering a massive 60% deposit reward. It's simple sign up using the link below, deposit funds into your gift account, and boom, you get a coupon worth 60% of your deposit. The maximum bonus is capped at 4,000 USDT. That is a huge amount of extra buying power to work with immediately. Now, listen closely because this is where most traders get confused. First, this is a principal first deduction bonus. This means if you enter a trade and lose money, your own cash is deducted first. The bonus is not insurance. It is purely leverage power to help you open larger positions than you normally could. Second, the volume challenge. To keep this reward or withdraw profits generated from it, you must reach a trading volume of 8,000 times the coupon amount. Yes, that's high. This event is designed specifically for high-frequency scalpers. If you trade a lot, this is free money. If you don't, treat it as a temporary leverage boost. The coupon is valid for 7 days, so you need to be active immediately. To get the max 65% fee payback setting and this 60% bonus, use the official link in the description. I've also linked my blog post with a full strategy guide. If you are unsure about the volume rules, send me a DM on Telegram at LegendClub123. I'll help you out. Time is running out. Click the link, claim your bonus, and trade safe.